Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you a new bracket that just came out from Light in Motion. It is the RFi Profoto adapter that works retroactively with the CLX light. Now, if you notice on the CLX or the CL series lights, they come with a Profoto adapter, which allows you to put a modifier on here. The only issue with that is there's a lot of heat that can build up across the vent here inside your softbox, which can be problematic. And so what they've done is they've very carefully engineered a bracket that retrofits on there. And so it's a very simple bracket. It looks just like this. And what it allows you to do is to put your Profoto modifiers and just clamp it right onto this bracket itself, as opposed to the previous way that you would modify it or put the modifier on. So the way you do that is very simple. Here's your existing bracket that comes out in your light. You just want to loosen up this tie down right here. And you're going to use the bottom part, which comes out. And you're simply going to attach that like this. Slide it down, line it up, put your tie down bracket in there, and voila. And that's exactly how that works. Now, the beauty of that is you have a lot of adjustability. We actually grab the back of your light, and it allows the light to breathe because you have all this area that's vented over here. And I have a 1x3 OCF series right here that I'm going to put on and show you how simple this is. So we're just going to slide this over the edge and clamp it down, and that's it. It's as simple as that. And your light actually comes in and mounts to the same way that you would mount the bound door adapter to put your Fresnel on there, or you know, there's the little locator pin that's on here. So you simply just line that up and turn it, and that's it. It's mounted on there. Now, the other thing too that's really nice is, in addition to the OCF series, is you can use a traditional RFi ring that you would use with a larger size modifier. Like I have 3 foot, 4 foot, 5 foot octoboxes, and you know, this is a much bigger bracket than the OCF series, which you see right here. So this is a lot more weight, and this goes on exactly the same way. You just slide it over the edge and clamp that down, and you can use either the RFi adapter or the OCF adapter. So hope you guys check that out. They are available from Light in Motion right now. You can order their website and order it, and tell them PC sent you. All right, see you guys.